All right, today we have a 2023 Lexus RX350 SUV in the shop. It's this pearl metallic white color, and we're gonna be putting a 5-year ceramic coating on it, and we're gonna be ceramic coating the glass, including the roof, which is a very large surface, and the wheel faces, and then we're gonna be sending it on its way to make it nice and easy to clean up bug guts. All right, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use iron and fallout remover, and we use iron and fallout remover to get rid of any embedded iron particles that are stuck in the paint, and usually that happens from shipping containers, manufacturing. Rail is a big thing if it was ever transported by rail, and you'll be able to tell because once this iron and fallout remover starts reacting with iron particles, it will turn purple. So we'll see how bad, if any, we have on this particular vehicle. It's usually the easiest to see on white, so this is a crucial step for any white vehicle that you're working on. And the reason it's crucial for white, I guess I should mention that, is because the rust spots will stand out. And when I say rust spots, I'm talking about little pinprick rust spots, which is just a little piece of iron particle rusting on the surface of the paint, but not like you would think where it's gonna like rust through and create a rust bucket, not like that. You see all these little purple runs? What that is that's the chemical interacting with the iron that's embedded into the paint, and it's loosening up, and then we'll agitate it and we'll remove it. All right, here we also have some adhesive that's stuck on the car, and we're gonna use Rapid Tack Rapid Remover to remove that. It's like Goo Gone on steroids. A lot of times we see this from the factory or from shipping. We see adhesive get stuck on the paint. It's usually that plastic wrap they put on there.